Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, like every Monday, I'm gonna show you another recipe, and like last week I want to show you something fall themed, and what better represent fall than cinnamon. So here I'm gonna show you how to make these super cute cinnamon braids. They're made of puff pastry. I didn't make the puff pastry at home because it takes a lot of time, so it's gonna be super easy because it's just puff pastry, cinnamon and sugar. So just 3 ingredients. It's super easy to make and it's so nice. It's perfect if you have a last minute dinner or a snack with like friends or kids, and it definitely represents fall. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe, and like every time I remind you to please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below because it always helps me, and enjoy the video. Bye! As you'll see, the recipe is super easy and there's not much explaining to do. So you just need 1 sheet of puff pastry. I make it myself at work, but when you make it at home it's very long and very complicated, so I just buy the one pre-made at the store, which is perfect. We're just gonna open it and put 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar on it and cover the whole surface with it, and then add some cinnamon. Obviously if you want to use more or less cinnamon is up to you. I'll use pretty much a couple of spoons. Then I'm just gonna mix everything together and cover the whole puff pastry with it, mixing the sugar with the cinnamon together. Then taking my rolling pin and pressure everything onto the puff pastry. And then I'll just take a knife and cut some stripes. The width of the stripes is up to you because it depends how big you want to make your braids. But as you can see here, I didn't make them too big because I wanted to make them long but not too wide. Obviously you'll need 3 stripes for a braid. I'm sorry if the light here changes, but the sun was in and out. The most important things of when you make the braid is to press down the edges. So where you start, you're just gonna press all the 3 stripes together and roll it towards the back of the braid, and the same thing at the end. You just press everything and close it in the back. With this puff pastry I made 5 braids, but if you want to make them smaller you can make more, or if you want to make a big one you can just cut bigger stripes. Once you made all the braids, you can put it in the oven at 380 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And the recipe is done. As you can see, the recipe is so easy to make, and really it's only 3 ingredients. What I did is just let it cool down, and then I just put a little powdered sugar on top, and they're ready to be served. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please leave me a comment, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!